Hello everyone, welcome back to Help About eLearning. My name is Prashanja, and you can see here this problem. This is again a simple category of question 1, comma 3, comma 5 and 2, comma 4, comma 6. So this is a simple category of question in front of you, all of you, okay? And what is important exactly here that we have to bring this kind of output, a sorted output we have to bring here. So 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. Okay, let me take this inputs. Okay, let me take this inputs on my VS Code. And here, what I'll do exactly, obviously, I will take a one variable to represent the first list, and second variable who is going to represent the second list. Okay. Of so now what we have to do exactly, as you know that we have to bring the output like this: expected output 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So this is what the output I want exactly. Fine, I can do it. So what we have to do exactly for that, okay, there is a very simple thing I'm just going to try here. Okay, let me see what will happen exactly. Okay, so c equal to just a plus b, and if I'm going to print, I just want a very simple thing. It's a very simple question. Why I've taken, I don't know. But okay, let me show you these things. So what output you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. But this is not our sorted output. Okay. As you can see, this is not our sorted output. Our sorted output is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is what we have to do it. And that's not a big deal. If I'm just going to call the sorted, uh, C dot short function, C uh, dot short function. So by default, it will do the ascending order sorting, and I will get my result. That is so simple. Oh, I'm getting a oh, so sorted. And in the sorted, if should I take this and then let me check the output. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm getting my output, and that is perfect. Okay. So this is, you can see here, very simple example. It's only a 4 line of code, and you can understand what we are getting here. Okay. We are getting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's really better for us. That's really better for us. That's good. Okay. Fine. Now, uh, yes, let me clear this output. Okay, okay, fine. So we'll see you in the next lecture, guys. Okay.